How to edit user information and permissions. User permissions allow you to grant access or restrict certain access and capabilities from different team members within your team. If you have multiple people using your system, this can be very helpful. Let's take a look at how to do this. You'll navigate to Settings, My Staff. Under the Team Management section, choose the user that you want to edit information or permissions for and click Edit. Under the User Info tab, you can make changes to their name, email, phone number, password, etc. To update their user permissions, drop down the User Permissions section and toggle on or off which settings you would like them to have access or permissions for, so you can update that here. To update their user roles, drop down the User Roles section and change the user to an admin or a user. Please note, if you are the only user in your system, you will not be able to make changes through this option. And finally, to assign or edit an outbound number assignment or to add in a voicemail recording, you can drop down the call and voicemail settings. Make sure you save any changes that you've made. You can repeat these steps for any person on your team.